Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Good evening, students. In this class, let us see about the next three questions of NEET 2022 examination question paper. The first question is given below are two statements. The statement one is the boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are higher than hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses because of weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones due to dipole-dipole interactions. Statement 2 is the boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are lower than the alcohols of similar molecular masses due to the absence of hydrogen bonding. And these are the four options given. From this, we have to choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. Let us see the statement 1. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are higher than hydrocarbons of comparable molecular masses because of weak molecular association in aldehydes and ketones due to dipole-dipole interactions. This is true. For example, compare the boiling points of propane. Boiling points of propanes with the acetone. Boiling point of propane is 42 degrees Celsius. This is hydrocarbon. And the corresponding ketone is acetone. CH3 C double bond O CH3, and the boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius. Compared to the boiling point of propane, boiling point of acetone is higher because of weak dipole-dipole interactions, because it forms a dipole along with the partial positive charge, partial negative charge. Because of here, this oxygen is more electronegative than this carbon. Therefore, it attracts the electrons present in the double bond towards it. Therefore, the oxygen acquires partial negative charge and the carbon acquires partial positive charge. This dipole-dipole interaction raises the boiling point of aldehydes and ketones. And then statement 2. The boiling points of aldehydes and ketones are lower than the alcohols of similar molecular masses due to the absence of hydrogen bonding. This is also true. For example, the boiling point of acetone. Again, we are taking the example of acetone. Boiling point of acetone is 56 degrees Celsius. And the corresponding molecular mass alcohol is propanol, N-propanol, with the boiling point 97 degrees Celsius. This is due to the hydrogen bonding in alcohol. Propanol with the hydrogen bonding CH3, but the bonding reduces the boiling point of aldehydes and ketones compared to the corresponding molecular mass alcohols. This is also true. Therefore, the right option is D. Both statement 1 and 2 are correct. This is the right option. Okay, the next question is identify the incorrect statement from the following. Statement A is all the 5 4D orbitals have shapes similar to the respective 3D orbitals. This is true because the size of the orbitals only vary with the various energy levels with various n value. Okay, therefore it is correct. And the B is in an atom, all the 5 3D orbitals are equal in energy in free state. This is also true. In the external field, only the energy level splits into various energy. Therefore, it is also correct. And then option C is the shapes of dxy, dyz and dxz orbitals are similar to each other, and dx square minus y square and dz square are similar to each other. This is wrong because the shapes of dxy dyz and dxz. This like this. The three orbitals are similar to each other. D x square minus y square. The orbitals dx square minus y square, dz square orbitals are different to each other. Okay. Therefore, this statement is incorrect. And the next option is all the 5D orbitals are different in size when compared to the respective 4D orbitals. Yes, 5D orbitals are bigger in size than compared to the size of 4D orbitals. Because the increase of n value increases the size of the orbitals too. The next question is the pH of the solution containing 50 ml of each of 0.1 molar sodium acetate and zero point zero 0.01 molar acetic acid is. We have to find out the pH. The Henderson equation to find out the pH is pH of this buffer is acidic buffer. Acidic buffer is nothing but weak acid and the salt of and the salt of strong base. Therefore, equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. We are putting the values in the places. pKa of pKa value is 4.57 and the log of 0.1 divided by 0.01, that is equal to 4.57 plus 1, that's equal to 5.57. pH value is 5.57. Therefore, the pH of the solution containing 50 ml of each 0.1 molar sodium acetate and 0.01 molar acetic acid is 5.57. Therefore, the right option is D, 5.57. Thank you, students. That's all about this today's question. Thank you for watching.